So the methods that we already have discussed is nothing but plinth area method, cubic content method, approximate quantities method, service unit method, Bay method, cost comparison method. Okay, so I will discuss the important parts again in this. You are familiar with the floor area, carpet area, rentable area. There is no need to repeat it. Physical content also we have covered up. This Bay method, I think it is still remained. Okay, so in the Bay method, it's very simple one. In this method, the approximate estimated cost is we are going to calculate by considering the number of bays in the proposed structure multiplied by cost of one such bay. Okay, now where the bays are you are going to see generally in case of the godowns, जिथे तुम्ही number of pillars बघताय ना, first column, second column, third column. Okay, so we are going to, in case of these bays are the compartments or similar portions of the structure when the area or a structure consists of similar cabins or the parts as a godown. मी जसं सांगितलं तुम्हाला गोडाऊन मध्ये किंवा रेल्वे प्लॅटफॉर्म वरती सिमिलर पोझिशन तुम्हाला बघायला भेटते. कॉलम्स किंवा जे पिलर्स असतात छोटे 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 ऍट अ स्पेसिफिक डिस्टन्स ते पिलर्स माउंट केलेले असतात किंवा एखाद्या फॅक्टरी शेड मध्ये. ठीक आहे, मग आपण काय करतोय दॅट सपोज एक्झाम्पल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट. For example, consider a godown of 6 meter wide and 50 meter long, having the GI sheets roofing supported over the roof trusses. The brick walls are provided on the sides. So the godown may be divided into the 15 divided by 3 equals to 5 components. Why 5 components are there? Because they have kept a distance of 3 meters between the particular brick walls. Whatever the brick walls they have constructed. Na? Suppose column number 1 is here, column number 2 will be at a 3 meter distance, column number 3 will be again 3 meter distance away from the second column. So what they are going to divide, whatever the length, suppose length is 15 and at every 3 meter you are having the wall, you are having the columns. So you are going to distribute that wall or column as a separate member. We consider it as a bay. That is nothing but the bay. मग किती बे येणार आहेत? 5-15 3-3 मीटरवर आहेत म्हणजे माझे 5 बे येणार आहेत. ठीक आहे, किंवा 5 कंपार्टमेंट येणार आहेत. So in this fashion you can determine this bay approximate estimate using the bay method, that is number of bays proposed and cost of one bay. तुम्हाला याच्यावरती प्रॉब्लेम वगैरे काही येत नाही कारण हा खूप सिंपल पार्ट आहे. फक्त काही बेज मध्ये आपण डिवाइड करतोय. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे काही कॉलम्स किंवा ब्रिक वॉल्स जे असतात. ठीक आहे, 15 मीटर लांबी आहे, मग 15 मीटर मध्ये प्रत्येक किती डिस्टन्स वरती तुम्ही कॉलम पुटअप करताय किंवा वॉल आहे तर ती प्रत्येक 3-3 मीटर वरती माझा कॉलम आहे किंवा ब्रिक वॉल आहे म्हणजे ब्रिकचा कॉलम थोडक्यामध्ये लोड बेरिंगला तुम्ही. ठीक आहे, मग तो प्रत्येक 3-3 मीटरला म्हणल्यावरती मी काय करतोय प्रत्येक 3-3 मीटरचा एक बे कन्सिडर करतोय. ठीक आहे, मग असे किती बे होतील माझे 15 मीटर टोटल डिस्टन्स आहे तर 5 बेज होतील किंवा 5 कंपार्टमेंट्स होतील. फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट, सेकंड कंपार्टमेंट, थर्ड कंपार्टमेंट. गोडाऊनचा एक एक्झाम्पल घ्या, पहिला भाग, दुसरा भाग, तिसरा भाग, चौथा भाग, असे 10 भाग असतात. तर एक मोठं असं पाहिलं तर तुम्हाला एक मोठं कंपाऊंड दिसतं, बरोबर आहे. ठीक आहे, त्यानंतर तुम्ही ते त्याच्यामध्ये डिव्हायडेशन करू शकता. ठीक आहे, आणि त्याला म्हटलं जातं बे मेथड. ओके, आय होप एव्हरीवन इज क्लिअर विथ दिस. CBRI मेथड नाही आहे तुम्हाला, त्यामुळे मी काही ते डिस्कस करणार नाही. ठीक आहे, त्यानंतर आपण जे approximate cost for water supply, sanitary and electrification charges आतापर्यंत डिस्कस केलेले. सी द approximate or thumb rules they have mentioned 4 to 5% बिल्डिंग कॉस्टच्या वॉटर सप्लाय घेतोय. सॅनिटरी सुद्धा 4 to 5% घेतोय. इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन 8 ते 12 घेतो जनरली आपण. 9% of the estimated cost of building works, and for electric fans and lights 3%, that is again 8 to 12% आपण घेतो जसं. ठीक आहे, त्यानंतर रॉयल्टी चार्जेस फॉर द पाईप कनेक्शन इज ₹400 इथं दिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, we are not going to go in depth about this. Then cost of sanitation again 4 to 5%. CTS वायर्स जे आपण यूज करतोय अराउंड 8 to 12% आपण घेतो. ठीक आहे, जे आपण अजम्पशन्स हे कन्सिडर केलते ना आर्किटेक्चरल वॉटर सप्लाय किती, हे थंब रूल्स मला तुम्हाला सांगायचे होते. ठीक आहे, यामध्ये काही डाऊट आहे का, म्हणजे आपण पुढचा भाग चालू करूया. इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग एनी डाऊट इन दिस, हा पार्ट परत तुमच्या 4थ्या युनिटमध्ये आहे. ठीक आहे, दिस पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट पर्सेंटेज ब्रेकअप 4 मार्काचा फिक्स क्वेश्चन इन युअर युनिट नंबर 4. Okay, we will discuss this later. Is there any doubt in this remaining part? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will start our discussion related with the problems. Because theory part, major theory part we have covered up, and the rest part is now the problems. Okay. Problems is nothing but your part of practical. नाही तर परत म्हणतो असं practicalचा होतं मग कसं काय असं. These problems are nothing but the part of your practicals. That is why we are started in this particular unit and in this particular session. यामध्ये काय डाऊट आहे कुणाला? Shall we start with the problems? Just respond yes, no. समजलंय सर, हा भाग समजलाय. Approximate estimation of irrigation project, road project, building project. ठीक आहे, आम्हाला समजलंय कसं असतंय काय असतंय. So that I will share some Excel sheets and I just want to brief you about that Excel sheets so that you will have some idea when we try to solve the problems. Is it okay for everyone? Everybody understood the today's part, whatever we have discussed, theoretical part? Is there any doubt? I will give you 2 minutes again for your doubt clearing purpose. काही शंका असल्यास विचारा. 5 मिनिटं शिल्लक आहेत ही मीटिंग एंड व्हायला. कुणाला काही शंका? If not, I just want to give you some instructions about our today's 20th of August. I hope everybody has completed the first 2 assignments. I just want to check it. I will just check it. Just wait. Google Forms. I just want to see how much you have updated. At least मागची टेस्ट आणि प्रॉब्लेम जो दिलता मला तो बघायचा आहे. किती जणांचा राहिलाय, किती जणांनी अजून केलेला आहे. See, out of 74, only 57 students have submitted this particular test. Only 57 students responses. Okay, I will have the spreadsheet also. You can see your name, email ID is there, and your names also are there. Roll numbers are there. 57 responses are there. Okay. Already score has been there, so I can release your scores. So MCQ, our MCQ test, na first test. MCQ test 1. So you got, I think, please you can check your emails. You got the email regarding your scores. Okay. Now I am not going to accept any response. Only 57 students response has been recorded. I have closed that particular site, and this is your spreadsheet. Now you can see how many students have submitted. Name of the student has been there. Okay. How many students are getting how many marks? Again, I can show you in the Excel also. Now you can see how many students have given the examination. Okay, roll number 1 not submitted, 4 not submitted, 6 to 9 not submitted, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 number not submitted. Just 57 students have submitted. Okay, okay, 1, 4, 6, it is at the bottom. Huh? These are there. So only 57 students have submitted. What about others? Hmm? My screen is visible, na? Everyone can see roll numbers, those who have submitted that test. Only 57 students have submitted. Now this is the final result of your test 1, and you got the email also. Please check my email. Your score is there. Okay, out of 10, most of the students are getting this good marks, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10. Good, I am happy. I don't know how much study you have done, but you have done it nicely. Okay, so Excel is been there. Now next form we can go for, that is, I will go for the next one, previous form. Center line method problem. How many students have solved? Only 33 responses are there. Why this picture is there? Only 33 students have submitted the responses for the center line problem. And today I will share the link for assignments, link for your journals, first 3 practicals. Okay, first 3 practicals, I think I have given the deadline also. Okay, the 20 is the first deadline today for the first 3 practicals also. So today I will share the link of assignments, link for practicals. So you need to write it in your notebook, and you have to upload that PDF copy. You can take a snap, or you can create a scan copy of that particular images, and you can upload that images in this particular Google form. So today you will receive a Google form for the assignment, Google form for the practicals. Okay, that is important part. And on the Friday, that is day after tomorrow, tomorrow only at 3:30, everyone, I will share one Google form, that is our MCQ test 2, which is based on unit number 2. Okay, that is the first test, MCQ test. And again another form I will share, that is of the problem. Okay, problems based on the unit number 2. So I will give you some problems. Already I have given you some problems from the university. You have to solve that particular problems. So rate analysis problem you can solve from the previous university question papers. And again,